Hey guys, this is my Clayton whole home furnace. This was already installed when I bought this house in 2016. It was originally built in 1987, and I would imagine it's, as far as I know, it is original to the house. Here's the front of the unit. I'm not sure on model numbers, anything like that. You can see it's hooked into my existing furnace system here. Humidifier built in. Blower fan down here. Ash door here on the bottom. Shaker tray. Baffle rod right here. Sorry, right here. That's just to keep it nice and tight. And here's the main area. So far it's been working very well. We're trying to get it figured out 100%. This is my first time ever owning one. So if you guys have any tips, tricks, things I probably need to know before I do something I shouldn't, let me know. But so far it's doing a good job heating the house here in the winter here in Missouri. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. See ya.